निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनम बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ज्ञानम द्विप्रकारम स्मृति ही अनुभवश्च। स्मृतेः लक्षणं किं? संस्कार मात्रजन्य ज्ञानम स्मृति ही। I am saying all this, but I am assuming you all know it. Okay? If you know it also, you should say it before I finish it. और on your own also you say it. संस्कार मात्र अनुभव ज्ञानत्वम अनुभवस्य लक्षणम। डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्मृति बट ज्ञानम, दैट इज अनुभव। अनुभव द्विप्रकार, यथार्थानुभव और यथार्थानुभव एव प्रमा is called prama. How many types of pramas are there? What are they? What are they? Come, I'll ask specific people. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाः करणं किम? अनुमिति इस प्रमा और प्रमाणम और प्रमा।
प्रमाणम।
गुड। शाब्द इस प्रमा और प्रमाणम। प्रमा प्रमा। हाँ।
स्वामी जी।
हाँ। शब्द शाब्द शब्दजन्य शाब्द इस प्रमा। ओके, इट वाज गिवन ये हो गया। हाँ, चार्वाका एंड ऑल कार्य। वी टॉक अबाउट कारणम, असाधारणम कारण। why did we talk? Because karanam is chaturvida. Okay, so now you have to define karana. So that was said asadharanam karanam. प्रसंगा लक्षणम उक्तम. That's why if you see different sangatis, right now we don't need to see because we don't know how, we just need know prasanga sangati only. But in Brahma Sutra, you know, those who have studied Brahma Sutra, different kind of sangati, adhyaya sangati will be there, and pada sangati will be there, sutra sangati will be there, adhikarana sangati will be there. And in that also, because of some prasanga, because of this, because of that, different kind of sangatis are there. Huh?
How many are
6 are there, but not these names, they are different names. असाधारणम कारणम कारणम, व्यापार जनक असाधारणम कारणम कारण.
द्रव्यान्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य तज्जनक.
जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य द्रव्यान्यत्वे
हाँ,
सति द्रव्यान्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य जनक.
व्यापार. हाँ. So 3 things: द्रव्य अन्य, तज्जन्य जनक. Okay, so you have to remember that तज्जन्य janaka. Huh? This part you have to remember. Tajjanya janaka. If you go tajjanya, then you will not find janaka. And it was said like that. Ati vyapti varana. Was ati vyapti happening. Dandadi, danda rupadi varanaya tajjanya janaka. It was given. Okay, now we have to see further. Karya niyata. This is also Karya. Preceding moment invariably niyata rupa, niyamit rupena, always before karyam, just before that which is always there is called karanam. And when karana is there, karana kalapa it is called, karana samagri, when it is there, karya will happen. So if Agni is there, Daha will happen. That is called Karanam. If Agni is there and Daha is not happening, it will not happen unless some other nimitta is. So when we think of Karana means functioning Karana. If Kulala is there, Danda is there, Chakra is there, Mrittika is there, Ghat. If everything is there, then you say Ghata Utpatti has no Pratibandha in this way. Karya will happen. Karya Niyata Purvavritti. कृत्य कार्यान नियता अवश्यम भाविनी पूर्ववृत्ति ही सिकोवा नियत पूर्ववृत्ति अवश्यम. नियत मीन्स अवश्यम भाविनी. इट हैज टू बी देयर. To be there before. तथा तथा
तत्कारणम्
तत्कारणम. Look at this sentence and then tell.
कार्यनियत वृत्ति.
कार्य नियत. This whole thing is a samasa vigraha. See, niyata पूर्वक. And it is said you have, because this is vigraha. See, कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति ही यस्य तत् कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति ही. तत्कारणम is the conclusion, but this वाक्य is विग्रह for कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति. अनियत रासभादि वारणा. You are making and one rasabha, some donkey was stray donkey going here and there. So just before you are trying to make the ghata, he came and stood there. You made the ghata, up to that he was there. Then he is left. So somebody, what all things are required? Karya niyata purvavrutti, what is there? Kulala is there. Rasabha is there. So he says, what is the karanam? Rasabha is karanam. So that's why niyata. Next time also he should be there. Then only ghata is made. Third time also he is there. It is not required. How will you know? Through anvaya vyatireka. When vyatireka is done, it's absolute to do. So therefore, aniyata. Rasabha is aniyata. For that aniyata vastu varana niyata pada. कार्य नियत वृत्ति. If it is given कार्य नियत वृत्ति, कारणम, then कार्य नियत वृत्ति is कार्य also. कार्य is also कार्य नियत वृत्ति. It is not. It is पश्चात. See, karanam is there before karyam. But if you say when karya is there, at that time karanam is also there, karya is also there. Once karya is done, karana is not there. Once karya is done, karana is not there. Which karana is not there?
Nimitta karana.
No. Why nimitta karana? What is nimitta karana has to do?
Upadana.
Oh, that way. No, I am not talking from that Vedantic standpoint. Of the sadharana karana, all asadharana karana is still there. Danda is there, Kulala is there, Chakra is there, Mrittika is there. Okay. Asadharana karana is there. Sadharana karana, what is missing now? Kala is there, Dig is there, Atma is there. What is missing? Praga Bhav is not there now. Clay was there, Mrittika is there. Once Ghata is created, what is not there? Ghata Praga Bhava is not there. Ghata Praga Bhava, Nasha has happened. So now everything is there. Same Ghata cannot come. Otherwise, if you say if Karana is there, Karya will happen. So all Karana is new Ghata should keep coming. But same Ghata will not keep happening. Why? Its Pragabhava is not there. This is clear to everybody?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. So Karya Varanaya Purva. Because if you don't give Purva, it will be Karya Lakshanam only. It will be Karana Lakshana also, but Pragabhav will not be there in that Karana.
No, Swamiji.
Okay. Dandatvadi Varana.
Dandatvadi Varanaya Ananyatha Siddhatva Visheshanasya Avashyakatveena Tata Eva Rasabhadi Varana Sambhave Niyata Padam Anarthakam Eva.
दंडत्वादि वारणाय अनन्यथा सिद्धत्व विशेषणस्य आवश्यकत्वेन दंडत्व इज अन्यथा सिद्ध दंडत्वादि वारणाय इन दंडत्व दी कारण विल गो कारण लक्षण विल गो तद वारणाय अनन्यथा सिद्धत्व विशेषण से आवश्यकत्वेन देयरफॉर व्हाट विशेषण इज आवश्यक अनन्यथा सिद्ध अनन्यथा सिद्धत्व विशेषण से आवश्यकत्वेन ततः एव रासभादि वारण संभवे इफ वी से अनन्यथा सिद्ध बाय दैट रासभ वारण विल ऑलरेडी हैपन अंडरस्टूड रासभ इज अन्यथा सिद्ध और अनन्यथा सिद्ध
I don't know, Swamiji.
गुड आंसर रासभ इज अन्यथा सिद्ध अन्यथा सिद्ध मीन्स विदाउट रासभ ऑल्सो इट कैन हैपन दिस इज कॉल्ड अन्यथा सिद्ध अनन्यथा सिद्ध मीन्स without which it will not happen. Okay. तो रासभ is अन्यथा सिद्ध रासभादि वारण संभव is possible by which विशेषण रासभादि वारण is संभव by which विशेषण अनन्यथा सिद्ध अनन्यथा सिद्ध अनन्यथा सिद्धत्व विशेषणस्य आवश्यकत्वेन तत एव रासभादि वारण संभवे नियत पदम अनर्थकम सो नियत कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति नियत पद इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इफ यू गिव द विशेषण अनन्यथा सिद्धत्वे सति आइदर यू से अनन्यथा सिद्धत्वे सति कार्य पूर्ववृत्ति कारणम और यू से अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे सति सी व्हाट इज अनन्यथा सिद्ध अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे सति यद न अन्यथा सिद्धम तद अनन्यथा सिद्धम ओके So that is what you only answer. If niyata pada, question is this: if niyata pada is there, Why you have to add anyatha siddha or ananyatha siddha? You read how we started this line.
Ananyatha siddha.
No, before that.
Dandatva.
हाँ. Dandatvadi varanaya. See, danda is required all the time.
Yes.
Danda is niyata purvavritti or not?
Yes.
Yes. Wherever there is danda, dandatva will be there or not?
Yes.
But we don't want lakshana to go in dandatva.
Oh. Dandatva.
Dandatvadi varanaya. Means see, if danda is there, danda rupa is also there. Lakshana will go in that. We don't want it. We want only danda is karanam. Dandatva and all other things you add. Dandatva samvaya is also there. Lakshana will go there. We don't want it. That's why we have to say they all are anyatha siddha. Danda is must. With danda, dandatva comes, we don't care. He will give example. Is this point clear? Tata eva rasabhadi varana sambhave niyata padam anarthakam eva.
एवं च अनन्यथा सिद्ध कार्य पूर्ववृत्ति कारणम इति फलितम्.
एवं च ananyatha siddha karya purva vritti karanam. So now what is the lakshana for karanam? Ananyatha siddha karya purva vritti अथवा ananyatha siddhatve sati karya purva vritti karanam. Niyata is not there. Okay. Now what is ananyatha siddha? He says
अन्यथा सिद्धत्वम् अन्यथा सिद्धि शून्यत्वम्.
बस
अन्यथा
this one one sentence. Ananyatha siddhatvam anyatha siddhi shunyatvam. Ananyatha siddha means that which is not anyatha siddha, right? Now you see, what did I say? Anyatha siddha bhinnatva means ananyatha siddha. Anyatha siddha bhinnatva is ananyatha siddha, correct? What is given here? Ananyatha siddhatvam is nothing but anyatha siddhi shunyatvam. Siddhi, not siddha. Now I gave siddha, they gave siddhi. What is the difference? I will tell you. Anyatha siddhi is a dosha. That which is anyatha siddhi, dosha, shunya, will be what? It will be, no. That which is anyatha siddhi, dosha, shunya is called anyatha siddha, because it doesn't have, it will be ananyatha siddha. It will be ananyatha siddha. So anyatha siddhi is a dosha. If anyatha siddhi dosha is not there, then it is anyatha siddha bhinna. Anyatha siddha bhinna and anyatha siddhi dosha shunya are same. Anyatha siddha bhinna and anyatha siddhi dosha shunya, they are same. Okay, I will repeat one more time. Anyatha siddhi dosha shunya equals anyatha siddha bhinna. Anyatha siddha bhinna and anyatha siddhi dosha shunya, they are same. They both are nothing but ananyatha siddha. Ananyatha siddha either you can say as अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्न, और यू से अन्यथा सिद्धि दोष शून्य. शून्य इज अनन्या सिद्ध. हाँ, अन्यथा सिद्धि इज ए दोष, राइट. अन्यथा सिद्धि दोष जहाँ नहीं होगा वो अनन्यथा सिद्ध होगा. Is given. Read further. Next one.
अन्यथा सिद्धि ही च आवश्यक नियत
वर्ती previous line. अवश्य नियत पूर्ववर्ती नैव कार्य. You have that line? कार्य. Okay. कार्य संभवे तत्सह भूतत्वम. अन्यथा सिद्धिश्च अवश्य पूर्ववर्ती नैव तत्वम. अन्यथा सिद्धि is what that is explained. Anyatha siddhischa avashya klupta. Avashya klupta means that has to be there. Klupta means prasiddha. Avashya klupta, avashya prasiddha niyata purvavartina eva कार्य संभवे. तत्सहभूतत्वम. दंडादिभिः एव
घटरूपकार्य संभवे ततः स भूतत्वं दण्डत्वादौ
तदन्यथा सिद्धत्वम. Okay, siddhatvam, our part is siddhatvam. Sometimes some such small things are there. यथा अवश्य कृप्त नियत पूर्ववर्तीभिः दंडादिभिः एव घटरूप कार्य संभवे तत्सहभूतत्वम दंडत्वादौ तद अन्यथा सिद्धत्वम. He is explaining what is अन्यथा सिद्ध and ananyatha siddha, because ananyatha siddha is that which is different from anyatha siddha, means that which does not have the defect of anyatha siddhi will become ananyatha siddha. This much first we should have. That which does not have the defect of anyatha siddhi is ananyatha siddha. In other words, rasabha has a dosha. What is the dosha? Anyatha siddhi dosha is there in rasava. Therefore rasava is called anyatha siddha. Wherever there is dosha, anyatha siddhi dosha is called anyatha siddha. Now Kulal Pita, Kulal is there. Every time he makes part, his father is sitting there. He is like, he is always there. Is he anyatha siddha or ananyatha siddha?
अन्यथा सिद्ध.
अन्यथा सिद्ध.
So he has the dosha. What is the dosha in him? Anyatha siddhi dosha. Always he is going to be there, and ghata is made, so person will think he is karya niyata purva vritti. Always when ghata is made, kulalapita is present. And if he is married, so patni also might be there. So she is also. They give the drishtanta. In village sometimes, women go to farm to do some cutting, etc. Small child is there. Where will they? They will take the child in the back and tie their sari. So he is niyata purva vritti. Always he is there, but he is not counted. So that is why all these exercises. Anyatha siddhischa. Now you see, I will explain. These lines should be easy once you understood the concept. Anyatha siddhischa avashya klupta niyata purva vartina eva karya sambhave. Tat saha bhutatvam. Anyatha siddhi is avashya klupta, means prasiddha, atyanta avashyaka. Niyata purva vrittina. Purvavarti means purva vritti. Vartanam is vritti. Vritti hi vartanam. Purva vartina eva karya sambhave. Tat saha bhutatvam. Yatha avashya klupta niyata purva vartibhihi dandadibhihi eva ghata rupa karya sambhave. Tat saha bhutatvam. Sahabhutatvam is what? That which is required. Like mother, the lady who is cutting the thing, she is there. But tat, she is ananyatha siddha. But tat sahabhuta is that child who is along with that most essential member, that lady who is the worker, he is along with that. So that child will be anyatha siddha. Tat saha bhutatvam anyatha siddhatvam. Actually, now in Western countries also, they have child and nobody is there, let's say, to take care of that child on some day. Now what will you do? You take that child to work. Child means that small child who cannot go to school. Okay, and nobody is there to take care. Child will be sitting. Anybody says anything to that woman, that what are you bringing these children and all here in office? That's it. That company will have legal problem. Child life is more important. So much killing goes on in the country, that is different. Yatha, you see, avashya kripta niyata purva vartibhihi dandadibhi. Danda is anyatha siddha or ananyatha siddha? Danda is ananyatha siddha. Danda is must. So that is called avashya kripta niyata purva varti. Purva vartibhihi dandadibhihi eva ghata rupa karya sambhave. Ghata rupa karya is possible only when danda is there. But tat saha bhutatvam. Along with that, what comes? Dandatva. That dandatva is anyatha siddhatvam. Okay, further. Karyam praga bhava pratiyogi. Karyam praga bhava pratiyogi. Pratiyogi, what is the pratipadika? Pratiyogin. Pratiyogin is the pratipadika. In Pullinga, Pratiyogin, Prathama Ekvachanam will be Pratiyogi, Dirgha. But in Napunsakalinga, it is Pratyogi. Only na will go. Karya is Pragabhav Pratyogi. So Ghata is Karya. What is Ghata? Pragabhav Pratyogi. Ghata's Pragabhav was there before it was created. Karana Samagri is getting ready. As soon as it is ready, Ghata is produced. Okay, so what was there before? Pragabhav. Now that Ghata is called Pragabhav Pratyogi. Means that whose abhav was there. Yasya abhavaha sa pratyogi. So Karyam is Pragabhav Pratyogi. See the tika.
So,
Swamiji, हाँ पढ़ो.
Pragabhav Pratyogi is also a Karyam.
Karyam. Swamiji पढ़ो. Kaladi Varanaya Prag. If it was said Karyam Abhava Pratyogi, then Abhava Pratyogi is what? Kaladi also, because they all are also Pratyogi of Abhava. Kala, then Dik. ईश्वर तज्ञान यत्न इच्छा इत्यादि. हाँ नेक्स्ट. असंभव. इफ इट वॉज गिवन कार्यम प्रागभाव, देन व्हाट वुड हैपन? Why? Because it is said asambhava. Why Lakshan will not go?
Pragabhava is required for the Karya. So if you say Pragabhava Pratyogi,
If it is said karyam pragabhava, what is the problem in the Lakshana? It will be Lakshana of Pragabhava. Pragabhava is karyam. What would be the Lakshana? Karyam Pragabhava. Means Pragabhava is karyam. Pragabhava is what? Why it is not karyam? Huh?
It is not there.
it is
No.
It
Huh?
has
it is Karyam.
not exist.
Pragabhava. Pragabhava is also a Karyam.
It is abhava, but it is not karyam. Why? Pradvans abhava is karyam or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that is the Karyam.
Why Pragabhava is not karyam? Because it is anadi.
Anadi.
It is anadi. It is beginningless, therefore it is not karyam. So if you say karyam and pragabhava, it will be asambhava. That's why you have to give pratyogi. You have to think of all aspects. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.